Hello guys, welcome to our channel TechArena Learning Hub. So from the title of the video, you might already know that today's topic is going to be about different types of data analytics. Let's begin. So basically there are four types of data analytics. First one is descriptive, second one is diagnostic, and third one is predictive, and fourth is perspective. So we are going to learn each of these types of data analytics one by one in detail. Okay, let's start then. So first one is descriptive. Descriptive is all about what this is what happening in your business and what has happened till now in your business. Like it basically deal with the past data. Whatever the data you have till now, it deals with that data. So it also helps in effective data visualization. Okay. So now the second one is diagnostic. Diagnostic is all about why. Like whatever has happened in your business, why it has happened. Like it deals with the details of your business. Why is it happening? Like whatever has happened till now is why is it happening? This helps in understanding the root of the problem. Like suppose you are earning some profit or you're making some profit or loss in your business. So why you are, which product is helping you making the profit, or which product is helping, because of which product you are getting the loss. So it deals with the detail, or this helps in understanding the root of the problem, the diagnosis. It is all about why. And the third one is predictive. Predictive means future basically. What might happen if a condition occurs? Like in future, it deals with the future. So what will happen if certain condition occurs? So like with the help of past data, or you said descriptive analysis, we can predict the future. With the help of the past data, you will be able to predict the future, and you will be this deals about, this is all about the future, and it's all about the prediction. And the last one is the perspective, or what you can say is a recommendation system. Like what should i do, what are the recommendation. Like if certain things happen, if you have predicted something, like this is like if you have predicted something, with this product you are going to make a loss or something like that, so you can avoid that product. So this is all about the recommendation. So these are the four different types of analytics. First one is descriptive. Descriptive deals about what. Diagnostic, second one is diagnostic. It is about the why, and it understanding the root of the problem. Predictive and recommendation are future. If certain things happen, it what you can do to avoid. It's about the prediction and recommendation. So basically, descriptive and diagnostic is about past data you have till now, and predictive and perspective is all about the future. Okay. I hope you guys have understand the different types of data analytics. And if you have any queries, you can type in the comment box. And if you want such more informative videos, you can subscribe our channel TechArena Learning Hub. We will be coming with lots of informative videos like this. Thank you guys.